We are working with a large manufacturing company. They have multiple locations throughout the country as well as some overseas. One major challenge they have is that the intellectual property they own within their process. It is imperative that we protect that intellectual property from any potential leaks, including risk with using public clouds. The customer suffered from the normal challenges that people have with backups. One was long lead time, where backups were not finishing within the allocated time frame. Another was a failure rate. This included incomplete backups as well as backups that were simply not recoverable. Given the challenges we all face with ransomware and the basic need to maintain solid, recoverable data, the customer engaged Insight to look for better solutions. Insight recommended moving forward with the Dell Data Protection Suite. This was due to the comprehensive suite of solutions Dell provides, particularly the efficient data deduplication, the strong security story, and how easy to use the management tools are. Not to mention, it also comes in at a very attractive price point compared to its peers. We have partnered well with Dell in this account, and the data protection added to the compute and storage components we are already engaged on simply made sense. The Dell team was great to work with and ensured that we had all data points along the way to bring in the win for both us and for the customer. As an outcome, the customer was able to meet their backup windows, meet their budgets, and has been very pleased with the ease of management. This should open us up to additional business as well as a stronger partnership moving forward.